Racing just is started. We have the chosen one. Break quickly to start. Moving up Golden Yasui. Shadow Straps is on the outside. Creation bonus gem. Then followed over by Because of You. Ella Magic. Big Bang Bong. And on the outside Rambo. Stormplay comes next. Green Sora. And going along for the first turn we have Golden Yasui maintaining a 3/4 length lead. Right behind in second is Shadow Straps. 2 lengths back in third comes Creation. Bonus Gem comes next. Ella Magic moving up Stormplay. Next on line is Big Bang Bong. Rambo comes next. Next on line is Because of You. The chosen one, Mr. Lindros. While Green Scissor now racing in 12. And at the part turn we have Shadow Straps. Moves up to take the lead by over the length. Running by the rail now is Bonus Gem. And on the outside Creation. Next on line is Golden Yasui. Moving up on the outside Ella Magic. Big Bang Bong comes next. And they are now entering the home stretch. The Shadow Straps moving up by the rail is Bonus Gem. As they swing for home we have Shadow Straps. And on the inside is Bonus Gem. We're about 100 meters of the race. Bonus Gem, Shadow Straps on the outside, Bonus Gem followed by Shadow Straps on the outside, and finally it's Bonus Gem, Shadow Straps, Creation, Big Bang Bong, then comes Ellie Magic.